Alright, welcome Mr. Agung and thank you for coming and let's just start the interview. So first question, how did you hear about this position?
I found out about this position from Instagram
And then why do you want to work in here?
because the work system is relaxed and suits my skill.
Why did you decide to apply for this position?
Because of course I went to further develop my skill.
Can you tell me what is your biggest strength?
I can work with a team as a backend developer.
And for the last question, Mr. Agung, what are your salary requirements?
In terms of salary, it is not yet certain. Just adjust accordingly.
Thank you so much for answering. We will let you know and notify you about the result of the interview. Thanks for your time.
Let's start to interview. Tell me something about yourself.
My name is Nova Afrizal Irawan. I have a degree in software engineering from Institut Teknologi Bandung. I also have experience 4 years in programming work. I also have experience as backend developer in Sinergi Nusa Innovative Company for 1 year.
What is your greatest strength?
I believe my biggest strength is I am a punctual person, which always try to be on time when it comes to work. I also like to learn new things, for example, new programming language, framework, software or hardware to make a new programs or a better programs.
What is your weakness?
I believe my weakness is that I extremely vulnerable to stress, so when I encounter a failure, sometimes it will take a bit more time than usual and my progress will be halt, but after that I usually will get back stronger, so the project will be done.
Why did you decide to apply for this position?
I decided to apply for the position of backend developer because I have the experience for 1 year in Sinovat Sinovative or Sinergi Nusa Innovative company, and I also extremely comfortable with backend developer both in website or desktop and mobile. I use I use all the programming language and framework that you needed for backend developer, and I already quite mastered PHP and Laravel, also JavaScript backend with Node.js. I also already learned a bit about Node.js framework, that is Express.js. And I believe from all this knowledge and experience that I have, I will work extremely well in this position rather than any other. But I also have a little bit but I also have experience in full stack, so I can also go to front end. I already work a little bit with Bootstrap, a little bit of GS, but and CSS, HTML, Bootstrap, and GS too. But I still have more to polish than the backend.
What are your salary requirements?
Considering my experience and my skill, I would like to have a salary of a standard backend developer in this company.